Welcome to our guide to replacing the fan motor in your Ruud air conditioner. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get your AC running smoothly again. Before we start, make sure you have all the necessary tools: a screwdriver set, wrench, pliers, electrical tape, voltage tester, and, of course, your new fan motor. Safety is paramount, so start by shutting off the power to your air conditioner. Use a voltage tester to ensure there's no electricity flowing. Next, remove the outer casing of your unit to access the fan motor. Carefully disconnect the electrical connections, making a note of how they're arranged for reassembly. With the wires disconnected, use your wrench or screwdriver to remove the old fan motor. Once it's out, compare it with your new motor to confirm you have the right replacement. Install the new motor by securing it in place with screws or bolts, ensuring it's firmly attached. Reconnect the electrical wires, following the arrangement you noted earlier. Use electrical tape to secure the connections and prevent any accidental disconnections. Reattach the outer casing, making sure all components are properly fastened. Now turn the power back on and test your air conditioner. Listen for any unusual noises and check if the fan is operating smoothly. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the fan motor in your Ruud air conditioner. Installing the new fan motor in your AC unit is a crucial step to ensure its longevity. Regularly clean your AC, and don't forget to schedule professional routine checkups. If you come across any issues or find the motor replacement process complex, don't hesitate to consult with a certified technician.